Bakers, I'm Gemma Stafford, professional chef and host of Bigger Bolder Baking. I'm excited to show you a behind the scenes look at my first cookbook. I believe that anyone can bake with confidence, anytime, anywhere, and that's what Bigger Bolder Baking is all about. At its core, my bold baking style is something that I've developed over the years as a professional chef, and it is an ode to spontaneous baking with over-the-top flavours, all put together with very little fuss. Nearly every recipe calls for less than 10 simple ingredients and everyday kitchen tools, which is how the book is organised. Bigger Bolder Baking hopes to restore baking to an everyday art and not relegating it to a weekend-only indulgence. My millions of fans, or bold bakers, come to me to learn traditional baking methods updated for today's busy schedules. Bigger Bolder Baking features 115 recipes that I have gathered throughout my life. These are recipes that I grew up with and those that I've invented and perfected while travelling the world. From growing up in Ireland baking in my mum's kitchen, to studying under legendary Irish chef Darina Allen, to working in Michelin star restaurants in San Francisco, and now hosting my online show and baking community. They represent my culinary journey and the bootstrapping attitude that has so defined my work as a chef, a baking personality, and the head of a community of millions of bold bakers. You can pre-order a copy of Bigger Bolder Baking right now. Thanks a million for being a part of the bold baking community and your amazing support. I really hope you enjoy my first book.